Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque, paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Come around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, LED logo when you open up the door, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with the smartphone integration, which is going to give you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Just go ahead and start it up. Navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 5,146 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA, check out feldmanimports.com.